Hello everybody, I'm Show Jimmy 1. Today it's raining outside. I'm also doing this video to let you guys know that I just got my internet back. And I will be starting recording. I'm going to be recording my house where I live. I'm still going to be moving. Man, it's raining pretty bad.
Took my freezer with it and still have my pantry. Properly stocked pantry can support good eating for a very long time indeed. Got everything in here from rice to beans, beef jerky to canned sardines. I've got vegetables, fruit, nuts, pasta, and of course, I've got vinegar. If there's a more potent and poetic multitasker in the kitchen, I don't know what it is. I love this stuff. And it's many, many guys. How much do I love it?
Dang, though.
Follow me.
Looks like it might be raining for now a good couple more hours. Look at the sky. The sky looks like crap.
I dug it myself.
Jeez.
Mostly.
Oh yeah, not lost power yet. I still have power.
Just smell the air.
Behind me, there's my TV.
I keep them all here. From champagne vinegar to
Oh, I'll show you this
vinegar,
quick.
red wine vinegar, cider vinegar, old distilled white vinegar, and of course,
This is my new
I've even got this one. It's so
TV stand.
expensive. I actually locked it up and threw away the key so that I would never use it.
And yes, I watch Elton John
Has a unique flavor and
in the background.
said in the journal, a special purpose. I mean, consider this bottle of vinegar. Where did it come from? How is it made? What can you do with it besides dice your eggs and
Jeez.
toss a salad? Well, if you've ever asked yourself these questions, you've come to the right cellar, my friends. Because not only
Oh,
is
it's a nice red car.
my favorite pantry pal, it's seriously
Like always, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
means